And welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to duet or stitch with the viral videos that get more reach on TikTok. So if you're wondering how, you may just head over and follow up these process for that. So without any delay, let's just get started. First of all, head over and open up a TikTok application on your device first. And once you open up TikTok, you can head over to the viral video that has more reach you think of. And once you find the video, from your right hand side options, you just need to look out for the share option and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding different options. You just need to look out for the last section of report not interested, etc. And there, just swipe right until you find an option of duet or the stitch. So you can use either of the options available if you want to go ahead and clip the video. So if you select the option of duet, you will be given an option to duet the video by using a frame, a layout, etc. Or if you choose the option of stitch, what you can do is you can just go over and select a certain part of video that you would like to stitch. So once you select it up, you just need to go ahead and tap on next. And after you do so, you just need to record a certain video. And once the video is recorded, you can just go ahead and tap on next and post the video. Same goes for the duet as well. You can just go ahead and record the video in the certain layout that you prefer. And once the video is okay, you can just go ahead and post it like you would normally do. And that is it. So that is how you do it in stitch viral videos that get more reach on TikTok. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.